yard. And let me go ahead and make a major focus on it. I mean, man, basically it looks beautiful right now compared to what it did like a few minutes ago. Now it looks like a yard. Now it looks somewhat like a yard, I would say. Just wanted to go ahead and also elect to y'all guys that, you know, on the past events that happened in Florida. Yes, I am from St. Petersburg, Florida. Yes, a lot of debris and stuff like that, as you know of. If I'm looking around the general area, it's like debris every which way going. But that's about it. That's all we did. It was like a natural tropical storm for us with 65 winds on our side of Florida. Just wanted to go ahead and give my condolences to everybody that has a relative, including my very own, that has a, you know, I don't know anybody from, I think I know some people from, let's say, I know some people from Avon Park and stuff like that, and those acquired areas in Sarasota and all that. And I'll send y'all my prayers out to everybody that got hit by that storm. I've heard a lot of wicked things about this very own storm, and I just wanted to go ahead and, before I close this video out, give y'all guys, you know, the respect that it is needed, because basically, just like I said once before, just didn't want to make this out to be a cash cow, but these are current events that people lose their life on. They don't come, it's not like you, when you're young, it's not like you're fighting on a video game and then you can go ahead and get some more life or whatever, whatnot. It's like, that's it, you won, and you're done with it. And I just want to give all the respect to all the rescue workers that are currently out there servicing everybody that's alive, clearing up all the corpses and stuff like that. They say it was like hundreds upon hundreds. I think about 200 people they had to carry up out of those trailer homes, beach houses, stuff like that. I mean, man, let me tell you like this, it's like I said, man, you know, some of the stuff, it does touch home. Don't think that when we are, you know, in Florida, when one of us get hit, we all get hit. I mean, I have relatives in Avon Park. I got a few friends that say they had relatives in Fort Myers. So if any of y'all, they haven't been answering the phone at this time. So if any of y'all, you know, that peers onto this video, that know of some of them, please reach out to them. I just go ahead and I'll phone call y'all, that the ones that do know, but the fans, my law enforcers, man, just keep your prayers open for these people, so they can get the ones that are survivors, as well as the families that took a loss in this. Man, not to say that, you know, man, shoot, I haven't heard from some of my friends, and before the song, we was talking about them actually, you know what I'm saying, them actually, you know, calling up and telling us that they are trying to camp it out with the storm, you know, and we were just all joking about it and everything like that. Didn't know that it was going to be this serious. So with that being said, I took this in for a lesson. I advise y'all know, if y'all are taking this in for a lesson, or this is something to be referenced of, and this is also gonna be in the history books, man. This is one of the wickedest storms that we had. What Hurricane Ivan, man. So all right there, well, this is my way to reach out to everybody that was going through a lot of things. I heard a lot of stores was closed down after the storm. They couldn't get, you know, well on the supplies. A few of my buddies went out there to the actual grocery stores and cooked up some stuff for them. So that's even better. All right, man. Just like I said, it's always silver lining amongst us all. I put my hands out to everybody that just like I said, helped out, man, and hopefully I can get in contact with some of my friends. I know they're somewhere in there, you know, probably goofing around. That's what I'm thinking. And taking their boats and actually going to search for survivors. So that's what I'm thinking. I don't know what is going on, so please reach out to all of us. All right there, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.